All right, NASDAQ, Oz 200, and DAX. Now remember, this is NASDAQ. Yesterday I said we could sell from around here. Market sold, but now we're looking to buy. Why? Because we've got here a distribution. Okay, so an accumulation, sorry. We've got an accumulation here, so we might have a big push up. Why? Because the market came down nice and easy. All right, so we had a good move up, A, B. Okay, well, it's like 1, 2. That's our third wave up, fourth, fifth wave, and then we've got a big A, B, C down. Okay, and that's how it is. So we want to push up as well, but we just want to do that with care because of the banking situation. All right, so be careful. At Astro hours, you can go long here or lower because there's a bit of a gap here. So you're going to have to do this. Okay, so the market can come back down a little bit into this zone there because this is where the gap is, in fact. Well, maybe into this zone. All right. But at Astro hours, we're good to go long, and that's your first target there. Here, you've got to be careful. Okay, so that's like important to note that you're going to have a target there. Why? Because that's the daily. All right, so be mindful. On the weekly, we're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, as you can see. Oz daily, this has got a bit of room to come down, so don't rush into this. If it pops down a little bit more, if you're using your ATAM, just wait for that 176872. All right, and see how that works out. 6872, about here. All right, don't rush into this one. Why? Because it looks like we may have a little bit of a level down here. Okay, then we've got DAX. Got a bit of room to come down, some gaps to fill, so don't rush into it. This has got some room to come down. Okay, I did mention this level yesterday, so we could dip down and then go up. Be mindful when trading them. This is going to go up afterwards, but might just dip down and then go up. Okay, so no rushing. Aussie, New Zealand, and the Canadian dollars. Let's check them out. Okay. So with the Aussie dollar, this level we were expecting anyway, so no dramas here, right? In fact, when the prices were up here, some friends said, well, hey, it's a bit too low, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, we could still, in fact, keep it going lower. If we get up here, we'll be sellers as well. What to do with the Aussie dollar? Well, look. You can buy here, around here, and around here at Astro hours. Okay, if it comes down, you can buy. In order to push up, 67.40. 67.40 is up there. So we've got room to go up if you're with me. Into that zone, 52, 59, 67, 57. Okay, 67.30. So we've got those levels there, okay, and that's pretty much there, okay, 30, 40, 57 around here. Okay, so we can target these levels, not a problem. If it pulls back into the weekly pivot there, it's already done that twice, so you're going to have to be like, if it comes back into, let's say, 66, 50, 46 down here, you can push up, put a tight stop loss, and follow it through. Other than that, don't do anything. New Zealand dollar, don't mess with this one. Just leave this one alone. The only time you can do something with this, it's already done it yesterday, you see. So if it, it's already done it here today as well. So it's got room to go up, but I'm not really liking it. It's a bit too close. Well, it's a bit 50 pips. So if you're going to trade it, do it with a tight stop loss, Astro hour to go there. Stop loss above the low of Asia session. Below the low of Asia session, not above. Canadian dollar, we've got a bit of room to pull back. Look at what happened yesterday. Level I marked in, bounces up. Level I marked in, bounces up. So it does have a bit more room to pull down into. Okay, but you remember what I said, we should get up into this zone, and then we're going to look for turnarounds, possibly next week. Yeah, probably next week. So this week we might be just hanging around here or heading up a little bit afterwards, and then next week we should be looking to swing on this. Okay, in fact on all of them. Okay, so don't rush into it. If you're into, if you like Canadian dollar, I'd wait a little bit, because it's a bit tricky. Also, there's trend line liquidity here. Not just the best spot to be trading at the moment.